No, actually, the 2005 silver turned to gold after 12 years. So now I can say that that's a gold.
Okay.
But unfortunately, because of this Russian doping and everything, I
Absolutely.
couldn't win a medal, win a gold at that day.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, if it was a gold, then it's a big difference from a gold and silver.
In comparison,
Actually, yeah,
yeah.
actually, in the grassroots level, the talent will be same. Talents will be equal. Then the difference comes when only when we get good training or
Absolutely.
those kind of atmosphere. So I could reach up to that podium, and we won. India got its first medal from World Championships. 2004 or 2003, I struggled a lot for getting fund, even from government.
Good evening again, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening. I think here there is some issue with the connection.
I was just saying, I read a lot about you during my school days, and such a pleasure for me to be here in front of you today. Thanks for taking out time for us.
Thank you.
So,
Thank
how's the
you.
Mother Day going, ma'am? What's so special about today?
Um, there's no special this time because we all are logged in. So there's no much pleasure in enjoying Mother's Day in a lockdown situation. But again, I'm really happy that at least a day in a year we are remembering our mothers. It's great.
So, how's the journey so far as a super mom?
Uh, it's a big task actually. I can say like combining official work, sports, kids. So it's like a bit tough, but we are enjoying actually.
Please, ma'am, take us through your historic first World Championship bronze in Paris.
Hmm.
How did you feel when you look? How do you feel when you look back today?
Actually, that was my first international appearance in a major championship. Major championship in the sense World Championships or Olympics.
Absolutely, yes.
So none of uh, our Indians could do reach up to that podium still till that day. So actually, me and Bobby, we planned everything just, one year before, and we could execute it in a very good way.
Mhm.
But still, in a bigger championship, winning or losing, we cannot predict.
Absolutely.
So I was in full confidence because the entire training programs and competitions went really well. But in the last moment, I had some trouble with
Okay.
my with my body, but Bobby could manage it really well. I could reach up to that podium, and we won. India got its first medal from World Championships. Yeah, still I am cherishing that moment. Uh, but
Every Indian
I
is,
was
ma'am. Every Indian is.
Thank you. But I was expecting something more from our fellow Indians, our fellow athletes after my medal. But
Mhm.
unfortunately, nothing happened till today from Olympics or World Championships. But we are expecting.
So, ma'am, we saw the role of your husband, Mr. Bobby George. So,
Yeah.
who was also your coach and mentor. So, can you just take us through the journey so far with him?
Actually, I started my training at the age of 20.
20. Wow.
Still he's complaining it was too late because otherwise I could have won many medals before that. Uh,
Absolutely.
but still, I am happy that at least I could reach him at even at my 20s. So my journey from that day, there was a drastic difference and that drastic change. Till then, I was just believing that I can reach up to Asian level, Asian Games medal or Asian Games goal. I was not thinking beyond that. but the training with him was entirely different what I was doing before, and that made me believe that I can reach up to the world stage, or I can be a winner in the world stage. So that confidence and his training plan, and actually he was doing the entire thing for me. He was not really a coach. He was doing from A to Z.
So, ma'am, silver medal in World Athletic Final in 2005.
Yeah.
Tell us something about that, please.
No, actually, the 2005 silver turned to gold after 12 years. So now I can say that that's a gold.
Okay.
But unfortunately, because of this Russian doping and everything, I
Absolutely.
couldn't win a medal, win a gold at that day.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, if it was a gold, then it's a big difference from a gold and silver. Even still, we Indians celebrated a lot that silver with that silver.
Absolutely. Yes, we
But
all did.
but it took almost 12 years to change that color. But still, I'm happy that we could win at least even after 12 years.
Nice. So, Tokyo Olympics has been postponed by a year due to COVID-19. From
Yeah.
athletes' point of view, will this bear, will this have a bearing on their performance, ma'am?
Actually, the Indian athletes were in their peak. They were just about to start their competition and that qualification achievements. But
Absolutely, yes.
unfortunately, all of a sudden this happened, and none of them are not able to. Even I'm not talking about Indians. The entire
Mm-hmm.
world, even the best athlete is not able to train, or they are not able to reach. They are not able to do anything. They are locked
Mm-hmm.
inside their house. So it's very unfortunate, and so now it's at least the championship is postponed to next year. So I
Mm-hmm.
think if everything is going well, then they can start their training at least in November, December, and then
Hopefully.
when the qualification starts, they can do that. But still, now the bigger issue is that when if we can start at least in November, because this
Yes.
situation, if it goes same like, or it can increase, or it
Mm-hmm.
can come back, but we don't know. There
We
is
don't know.
uncertainty in that. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure, because an athlete always should. We all are training for a particular date or a particular time, but now
Yes,
there's
yes.
no certain time, or there's no
Absolutely.
goals in.
Hmm.
So it's very difficult for an athlete to maintain their
Hmm.
physique or their performance. But now at least we don't need to maintain our performance. We'll get enough time for 2021.
Sure.
So, but it's a difficult task for an athlete to sit back.
So, ma'am, you were at your peak and you were one of the best long jumper in the world. So, does it hurt not to have won an Olympic medal?
Actually, every athlete is dreaming for an Olympic medal, but
Absolutely.
unfortunately, I was in a time where the Russian doping were at their peak.
Hmm.
So actually, I still believe I am a medal winner, because this first, second, third were Russians. I am still fighting for that medal, silver medal from Olympics.
Hmm.
But unfortunately, if I was not at that time, or even 2021, if I was competing, there's no Russian team. So and
Hmm.
there's no dope, like
Hmm.
uh, these kind of cheaters. I can at least minimum number. So if I was at this stage, or I was doing my competition at this time, I can say that almost every championship I will be a winner, or I will be a medalist, because every competition when I was doing, these Russians, the three Russians were there, and they were at least in the podium ahead of us. So I
Hmm.
can say that I was. It was a cheating kind of. Uh, it's not good in sports anyway,
Absolutely.
but
Yes,
still,
yes.
uh, I still believe I'm a champion.
You are, ma'am. You are. Absolutely. There's no second thought in that. So, what will it take for an Indian athlete to win an Olympic medal, ma'am? And do you see Indian athletes winning an Olympic medal in near future?
Actually, our junior team is doing really well, but the junior level and the senior level, there is a big difference. So,
Yes.
we have Neeraj Chopra, Hima Das. They are Neeraj is a junior world record holder, and Hima is a junior world champion. But when they reach up to when they reach to the senior level, the scene is under different. So they need that much backup, that much training, that much confidence. Good coaches, good supporting staff, everything should be in a not better. It should be the best. So
Absolutely.
then we can think about Olympic medal or World Championship medal. So I think they will be able to get a medal, but still they are just reaching up to the senior stage. And they need to do a series of good competitions before Olympics. Then we
Olympics.
will get to know, yeah, and they can gain confidence through that competition, and then they can go for the medal. So
Uh,
yes, there are chances.
Hopefully. So, ma'am, Kerala is the nursery of Indian athletics. What is it doing differently that, we have so many
Um,
successful athletes from there?
Actually, there are many good talents from other part of India also, but unfortunately, in some like MP or UP or some other part of India, women athletes are struggling a lot, and they are
Ab-
not finding a way to come out. But now slowly the things are changing. So even in my academy, there are a lot of girls from UP. They are good talents. We could find and. But in Kerala, what is the difference? Because like education, sports is also playing a bigger role, and even the school championship, state, it's like everywhere in the front page of almost all the um, uh, um, newspapers and
yes.
everywhere. So they are giving much important for even for the sports also. That's why the athletes are coming from more athletes are coming from Kerala. But slowly now things are changing, and the other parts of India is also showing that, especially from women's side, showing talents. Uh, yeah, but if we look at the previous editions, there are a lot of athletes in the international scene from Kerala. Sure.
So, ma'am, when you compare the patronage of sports at grassroots level, how do you compare India with other countries? And do you think we need to do more in comparison?
Actually, yeah, actually, in the grassroots level, the talent will be same. Talents will be equal. Then the difference comes when only when we get good training or
Absolutely.
those kind of atmosphere. In the other countries, what they are doing, their talent scouting is going in a proper way. But here now we are trying to do that, like Khelo India project is coming,
Yes.
reaching up to the grassroots level, and there are a lot of coaching program is happening. So we are trying to um, get more coaches into that panel, and we are trying to motivate them and educate them how to handle in the grassroots level. So most of the athletes, unfortunately, overtrained, or they are only up to a national level they are reaching, and then they are disappearing. So now we are slowly trying to educate our coach how to handle a junior athlete. So at the and we are expecting the result maybe 2028 or no 2032. So slowly things are changing, and yeah, it will be in a proper route
Yes, yes,
soon.
sure.
Even a good gym, if we ask, it's they will provide us. But those days it was very difficult, and we have to go abroad, and we have to find our own funding. And even in 2004 or 2003, I struggled a lot for getting fund, even from government. I almost wasted 2 months just before the World Championship in Delhi for getting my fund for my American training. That was just for 14 lakh rupees. So
So, do
that
you
much
think
struggle.
it's become a bit easier for athletes to
Now
get the
kids
funds.
actually they are really lucky if they are
Wow.
showing any talent even at a younger age. Actually, the government is reaching up to them, and they
Wow.
are ready to give anything, everything actually, if they are really talented. But in our days, we struggled a lot. Uh, but still, actually, no worry because anyway, the things will be changing maybe after 10 years after. It won't be the same like. So that's a natural process anyway. Yeah, no complaints.